Are you a startup business looking for the perfect domain name and hosting for your website? Look no further. In this video, we will reveal a trick to receive a free domain name. Don't miss out on this opportunity to give your startup the online presence it deserves. Before we proceed, please subscribe, share, like, and leave a message in the comment section below and let us know the content you wish us to create. Let us learn how to register a domain name and hosting service initially to get started with the website online. As we have learned in the previous video that the domain name is the unique address of your website on the internet. It's what people type into their browsers to reach your site. We would need to choose the right domain name which is relevant to our website content, easy to remember, pronounce, type, and short. So domain registration would be the first step to get started. Now it's time to register your chosen domain. There are many domain registration providers available, each with different prices and services based on the TLD.com, info you choose. What if I tell you that you can register a domain name free for 1 year with a lot of hosting service providers? You heard me right. There are many hosting service provider who provides the domain name free during the first time purchase for 1 year. They also provide some additional services free for 1 year for your website. You would only need to pay for the hosting service where you build the website and store the website files and receive the domain name free for 1 year. However, you would need to renew the domain name after 1 year purchase. While selecting a hosting plan, check if the hosting provider offers a free domain name with their service. This can be a great cost-saving benefit, especially for beginners or those on a budget. Here are some of that hand-picked hosting service that provides free domain names: GoDaddy, Bluehost, Hostinger, iPage, Squarespace, Network Solutions, Register.com. Now it's time to register your chosen domain with the hosting that best fits your website content. I will be explaining in the next video which hosting service is best to choose based on the website you build. So stay tuned. That's it for today's video. We hope you found this guide helpful in understanding how to register a hosting service with the domain name. Remember to take advantage of the hosting providers we recommended that offer free domain names. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy hosting!